Credit Strong Magnum Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but here's why the Credit Strong Magnum product in 2025 could be a game changer for anyone looking to build or rebuild their credit. You won't believe the ways this credit builder loan can help you establish a stronger financial foundation, especially if you've struggled with credit in the past or are starting from scratch. In this review, we'll dive into every detail from how it works, to the costs and benefits, and whether it's truly worth your time and money. Let's start with the basics. Credit Strong is a financial technology company focused on helping people improve their credit scores through structured, reporting-friendly credit builder loans. The Magnum is their flagship product, designed for individuals who want to make meaningful improvements to their credit history, while simultaneously building a savings habit. Unlike traditional credit cards, which can tempt users into overspending, the Magnum loan provides a structured, low-risk path to credit improvement. Here's how it works. When you sign up for the Credit Strong Magnum program, you select a loan amount and a term length. Common loan amounts range from $500 to $2,000, with terms from 12 to 48 months. The funds are not released to you immediately. Instead, your monthly payments are held in a secure, FDIC-insured account until you complete the loan. In other words, you're essentially borrowing from yourself, and the bank reports your on-time payments to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Most people get this wrong. They think a credit builder loan is just a savings account in disguise. The key difference is that Credit Strong reports every on-time payment to the credit bureaus, which actively contributes to your credit history and score. Over time, these positive reports demonstrate financial responsibility and on-time payment behavior, which can significantly boost your credit score. The surprising truth is that consistent payments, even on a relatively small loan, can have a bigger impact than opening multiple credit cards and carrying balances. Now, let's talk about the costs. Credit Strong Magnum does charge interest, but the rates are generally competitive and vary depending on the loan amount and term. Since the funds are held in your own account, you're effectively paying interest to yourself, and at the end of the term, you receive the full principal minus any interest or fees. Many users find that the combination of credit improvement and forced savings outweighs the relatively modest cost of the loan. In 2025, Credit Strong has refined its fee structure, offering clearer transparency and predictable monthly payments, which is essential for budgeting. One of the most appealing aspects of the Credit Strong Magnum is its flexibility. You can choose loan amounts and term lengths that align with your financial goals and capabilities. For example, if you're just starting out and want to keep monthly payments low, you could opt for a 12-month loan at $500. On the other hand, if your goal is a more significant credit impact and you can handle higher monthly payments, a $2,000 loan over 48 months may provide more substantial credit-building benefits. Most people underestimate the power of choosing the right loan term in credit-building strategy. Longer terms generally yield more payment history reports over time, which can strengthen your credit profile. Let's dive into some practical examples. Imagine you have a limited or poor credit history. By enrolling in a Credit Strong Magnum $1,000 24-month plan, you make monthly payments of approximately $45, $50, depending on your specific terms. Each on-time payment is reported to the bureaus. After 12 months of consistent payments, you could see an improvement in your credit score ranging from 20 to 50 points, depending on your starting point and other factors. By the end of the term, you've not only improved your credit, but also have a lump sum of savings waiting for you. Another aspect that makes Credit Strong Magnum unique is its integration with credit education. The platform provides tools, guidance, and tips for understanding how credit works, managing debt, and maintaining a positive credit profile. Many users appreciate this added value, as education combined with action is a powerful combination. Most people get this wrong. They think they only need to pay on time, but understanding the nuances of credit utilization, age of credit, and reporting frequency can accelerate results. Customer support is another area where Credit Strong shines. The company provides responsive support via phone, chat, and email, helping users navigate the enrollment process, select the right loan term, and resolve any issues with reporting. In 2025, they've streamlined the onboarding process, making it faster and easier for first-time users to set up their accounts. This reduces friction and ensures users stay on track with their payments. Now, let's address potential drawbacks. First, Credit Strong Magnum is not a free product. There is interest and sometimes small administrative fees, so it's important to budget accordingly. If you miss payments, your credit score could be negatively affected, Just like any other credit product, unlike traditional loans where you receive funds upfront, the Magnum holds your payments in a secured account, so you don't have immediate access to cash. For some, this could be a disadvantage, but for others, it serves as a built-in savings plan. Understanding this structure is critical before committing. Another limitation is that Credit Strong is not a bank in the traditional sense. While your funds are FDIC insured through partner institutions, you won't have access to checking or standard banking services. It's strictly a credit building and savings focused product. Most people get this wrong. They assume it functions like a full service bank account, but it's a specialized tool designed for a specific goal: improving credit responsibly while building savings. For those wondering about eligibility, Credit Strong is relatively accessible. They perform a soft credit check for pre-qualification, which does not impact your credit score. This allows you to understand your options and terms before committing. Once enrolled, your positive payment history is reported consistently, helping both credit newcomers and those with damaged credit gradually rebuild or establish their score. In terms of long-term strategy, Credit Strong Magnum can be a foundational step in building financial stability. By consistently making on-time payments and completing the term, you demonstrate creditworthiness to lenders. This can open doors to better interest rates on credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, and even mortgages. Think of it as laying the groundwork for a stronger financial future. The surprising truth is that small, disciplined steps like this can have exponential effects over time, especially when combined with other responsible financial habits. Practical tips for maximizing the benefits include automating payments to ensure you never miss a due date, selecting a loan term that fits comfortably within your monthly budget, and monitoring your credit score regularly to track progress. Some users also combine a Credit Strong Magnum loan with a secured credit card to diversify the types of credit on their report, which can further boost scores. Most people underestimate how important a mix of credit types and consistent reporting is for optimal credit growth. In conclusion, Credit Strong Magnum in 2025 offers a structured, effective, and user-friendly way to build or rebuild credit while simultaneously creating a savings habit. Its unique approach, reporting payments to all three major credit bureaus, holding funds securely, and providing educational resources, sets it apart from traditional credit cards and unsecured loans. While there are costs and limitations, the potential benefits for credit improvement and financial growth are substantial. So, is it worth it? If your goal is to improve your credit responsibly, establish a positive payment history, and build savings without taking on unnecessary risk, the Credit Strong Magnum is definitely worth considering. Most people get this wrong. They think credit building is about juggling multiple cards or quick fixes, but the disciplined, transparent approach of the Magnum can deliver real results over time. By following the program diligently, you can position yourself for stronger credit, better loan options, and a healthier financial future in 2025 and beyond.